Okay, microwave. In goes
D.va.
It's a really dirty microwave.
Alright, very dirty microwave here.
Light bulb in microwave.
Alright, exhibit A, alright, closing the door.
Okay, we're gonna set it to like 2 minutes. Okay, so now I guess we'll just step back. I have a steel shield in case things go wrong and I have to do an emergency procedure.
Alright.
Okay, you ready? Doing it. Ooh. Ah.
This is exciting. May want to stop it anytime now.
Well, it has to hit another color.
Whoa!
Stopping! Stopping!
What's that?
We should probably evacuate, let it air out for a couple of minutes. That was not in the videos that were online. So you guys have seen it here first. Our microwave fucked that.
D.va.
I need to get out of here. This is what's left of the...
D.va.
It won't work anymore. I don't know why you'd have to heat up.
D.va.
I know why you'd want to heat up.
D.va.
Because it's a really cool light show, but I don't see why you need to. Because this won't work anymore. It's not a very good idea to microwave.
D.va.
So, see you next time.
LOL, 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 LOL.